Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be doing our withdrawal from Traders with Edge. Okay, now I haven't made a withdrawal from this company before. It is my first time doing this withdrawal, but I would just like to share the process with you guys. We do this together. Okay, now if you look at my video yesterday, you would have seen where I said I want my available profits to reach 1,000 to 1,500. So I have reached 1,312.03, which I am happy now to go ahead and make my withdrawal. My overall profits, as you can see here, is $1,640.04, which 80% of that is mine, which comes to the 1,312.03. And the other 20% goes to Traders with Edge, one of the best prop firm, as I said, you can find on the market to trade with at the moment. Lots of people are getting paid out from this company, and I am looking forward to my payout. So let us request our payouts, and according to this company, the withdrawal will take 24 to 48 hours after submission. Okay, so please note that withdrawals are processed upon request within 28 to 48 hours of submission, providing you with regular opportunities to access your earnings. Our payout schedule ensures that you can conveniently receive your funds according to your preferences. So with this company, you get bi-weekly payouts. Okay, so and if you guys remember previously, I said to you guys that you have to meet a 10-day threshold after you pass your challenge with this company, which I have now met. Okay, I have now met that 10 days threshold. Yeah, so minimum trading days is completed. All right, and these are the trades that make the profit. And if you guys remember, I said I had lost all my profits last week, which I showed you guys here. I had lost all my profits, and I went right back down to 98,141.44. And today I am back up at $101,640.04. All right, hence we are happy to go ahead and make this withdrawal. And if you see here, you would see days since trading, since I started trading this account has been 12 days. All right, number of trade taken, I've taken 19 trades in total. Trades won 14 and trades lost 5. So I have a greater percentage of winning trades than losing trades, as you can see. And the instrument that I trade is gold, and as I said to you guys in previous videos, the only instrument I trade is gold. I trade nothing else but gold. It's my favorite pair. Love and hate relationship. I love gold. All right, so let's go ahead and request this payout and see what happens from here. If you guys are interested in trading with Traders with Edge, I have got a 10% discount and a 15% discount code, which I'm going to place in my description, where you can get a percentage off of any challenge that you choose to buy. All right, so let's do a withdrawal request and see what happens. As I said, I haven't done it before, so we're just testing this out, and we would see what's the outcome of this. Okay, all right, so here we go. So disclaimer here, withdrawable profits available is 1,604. So guys, I'm going to fill out my details here, and then I would get back to you guys. All right, so let's just pause it for a minute whilst I fill out my. Okay guys, so that payout was requested, and as you can see here, status is pending, so we're pending that withdrawal. I did a bank transfer, and the date is the 18th of the 3rd 2025. Client payout will be $1,040, and the balance will remain in my account. According to them, would be $300, $340, I believe. All right. So so we'll wait on this payment and see when it hits my account and what happens from there. All right, so I'll keep you guys up to date. Once this payment hit my account, I will share with you guys. I'll let you see. um I'll show you guys the confirmation once this payment has hit my account. All right, so we are so payment is pending at the moment. I'm not sure how long the bank transfers this take, but I believe it will take a little longer than maybe Rise or PayPal or one of them. I'm not sure, but according to this, 24 to 48 hours. So let's hope before the weekend we receive this payment. All right, so I'll keep you guys up to date with this, and I will not be trading this account until my payment is with me. All right. I'm a bit confused with this though, because if I request 1,300, which is what my total balance is, and 80% is theirs, why would my payout be this? Because I've got a total of this. So does it mean that whatever I withdraw, so does it mean that whatever I withdraw from me and their percentage one time probably? I think maybe that's how it works. Anyway, so we would see next time we would know what we need to do. So maybe I needed to withdraw the whole 640 in order for me to get the thing. So I think their percentage was also withdrawn when I withdraw the 1,300. I believe that's their percentage because they are saying that 340 will remain back into my account. So which means that I needed to make a withdrawal for the whole 1,640, and their 20% would have gone to them and my 80% would have come to me. So next time we will see. All right, so anyway, let's see how this go. We are waiting on this payment now, and we will see. And I will just check my email just to see if I got an email confirmation from them. I did get a withdrawal receipt. So it says, "Dear Leno, we have received your withdrawal request for account number that on the 3rd, on the 18th of the 3rd at 2 something, you have requested a payment of that to be paid to you. Our accounts team will attend to this within 48 business hours. If you don't hear back from us within 48 business hours, please contact support and we will check where it is up to. Regards, Traders with Edge." All right, guys. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.